Hello viewers of the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Welcome back to another exciting video where we dive into the wonderful world of camping. Today, we'll be discussing the age-old debate of RV camping versus tent camping, helping you choose the perfect option for your outdoor adventures. RV camping. RV camping offers unmatched convenience and comfort. With a motorhome or travel trailer, you have a comfortable bed, kitchen, bathroom, and often, modern amenities such as air conditioning and heating. It's like bringing your home on wheels, allowing you to travel in style and luxury. RV camping provides a great option for families or those who prefer more creature comforts when exploring the great outdoors. However, it's important to note that RV camping comes with some downsides too. RVs can be costly to purchase, maintain, and fuel. Additionally, parking and maneuvering larger rigs can be challenging in certain camping areas. Tent camping. For those seeking a more traditional and immersive camping experience, tent camping may be the perfect choice. Pitching a tent and sleeping under the stars brings a sense of adventure and connection to nature that RV camping might lack. Tent camping is generally more affordable and flexible, allowing you to set up camp in remote locations and enjoy the serenity of nature. Nevertheless, tent camping has its drawbacks as well. Sleeping on the ground can be uncomfortable, and adverse weather conditions may impact your camping experience. Tent camping also requires more effort in terms of setup and packing up. So, what's the verdict? The decision ultimately depends on your personal preferences, budget, and the kind of experience you're seeking. If you have a larger budget and prioritize comfort, RV camping is a fantastic option. On the other hand, if you love the rustic charm of traditional camping and are more budget conscious, tent camping may be the way to go. We hope this article has helped you weigh the pros and cons of both RV and tent camping. Remember, the most important thing is to get out there and explore the great outdoors, regardless of the camping style you choose. Thank you for watching the Daily RV Life YouTube channel, and until next time, happy camping.